Hello. Honestly, I haven't been feeling very festive this year, and I'm not sure why. So this year, I'm trying to have a minimal waste, eco-friendly holiday season. And this has sparked some amount of inspiration for me. It's helped me feel a bit more festive, and I have some ideas for you guys on how you can enjoy your own eco-friendly Christmas. I'm not even bringing up the Christmas tree this year, just one box of decor, and then that's it. So the very first thing that you want to do when you want to dedicate yourself to a minimal waste holiday is to tell everybody that you know. Tell your friends, tell your family. You never know, you might inspire somebody to do the same thing, and maybe even giving ideas from this video to let them know what kind of ideas could create a smaller footprint for the holidays. So in terms of gift giving, it is not part of my love language. I'm not great at it, and I'm not great at receiving it. But what I do love is to exchange experiences, do winter activities, going to the Christmas market, going skiing and snowboarding, and already that's the least controversial way that you can have a waste-free holiday. If you must gift, maybe think about regifting. If you create like a theme around it, some people might be iffy about thrifting and buying secondhand pieces. I myself would really appreciate it because it means that you took the time to look for something and like find a one-of-a-kind piece that you couldn't have found anywhere else. And if you tell your friends and family to create a wish list, then it makes it all that much easier to find something that is possibly secondhand if they're okay with it. I know not everybody's okay with it. Wrapping paper is super not friendly. So anything with glitter and plastic coating on your paper renders it non-recyclable. Every single person, the amount of garbage that they create per present, that all goes to the landfill. That sucks. You can thrift a scarf, you can thrift old fabric, you can use craft paper, newspaper, or a reusable tote. First of all, it saves you money. You don't need to be buying glitter or wrapping paper anymore. And then the person receiving your gift gets two presents because they have a new pillowcase, or a new scarf, or a new tote bag. Whatever. Another embellished glittery paper holiday tradition that is terrible: Christmas cards. I think I'm the worst because I throw away my Christmas cards every year. Don't like to keep them for sentimental reasons, and even though people write lovely letters, I just can't bring myself to hold an archive of physical cards every year. And these days it's like there are so many e-card options available. And yes, of course, it's a nice note. Maybe because I'm feeling grinchy this year, express your love verbally or digitally, but try to avoid cards. So for decor, if you know me, every year I go crazy. I love decor. You can easily find eco-friendly decor. You could go outside, pick up a pine cone for all I care. I have some natural things that I found in the past. This beautiful bag of pine cones, $2.99 at Tully's. The thrift store is a treasure trove of decor items. A fun place to check out is the infant section because you can find the cutest little things that can double as Christmas ornaments. Parents' place is where you can get other secondhand items for free, and I prefer items that have sentimental value, and these two these were my sister and my Christmas ornaments. These will go up every year, and now it looks like Stefan and me. We're at the midpoint of the video. Let's emphasize that we're just trying to be as eco-friendly as possible. I'm not saying that we have to be zero waste, but if you do buy new, try thinking about things that you're gonna have to throw away after the first time. For example, tinsel, plastic garlands and wreaths, those are things that you want to stay away from. Try to buy dried items or even find different DIY ways to decor. Growing up, my dad used to take us to IKEA and we would buy a new real Christmas tree every year. He wanted us to have like a real Canadian Christmas, and he refused to buy a fake tree. The smell was the best, but I can live without it. I'm fine not having a Christmas tree. But I actually thrifted my reusable Christmas tree. There are a ton of Christmas trees to choose from, and this one has lights in it. Mine doesn't have lights built in. And if you miss that tree, light up that pine-scented candle and you'll be all good. Opama is gonna be our honorary Christmas tree this year. I don't know how we're gonna attach different things, but you can DIY your decor, but you can also DIY your presents or buy from local vendors who are creating reusable items for you to use at home. If you need any DIY present ideas, you can check out my holiday playlist. Every year, I think I do DIY holiday presents. And then your holiday parties. Parties can be so hectic when you're going from one place to the next, or if you're hosting. If it's just the two of us and we're hosting, we don't have enough plates for everybody. So don't be ashamed. Just ask your friends to bring their own plates, or even ask them to bring their own Tupperware. That way they eat and can take food home. Now, I know that certain people could be offended by this, but when it comes to our family, nobody really cares. So this holiday season, I'm going to be bringing my own holiday go bag, and that includes cutlery and plates and Tupperware, because I would love to take some food home, and reusable cups and straws. Even though nobody else in the party is participating and they're going to be using paper plates, you're just one less person that will be doing that. So as always, I want to emphasize that we could aim for zero waste. That's obviously ideal, but of course, sometimes it's not realistic and you don't want to upset people on the holidays. Holiday season can be crazy. Just some creative ways that I've found to work around that. Let me know in the comments how you plan on minimizing waste for the holidays, and you can find me on Instagram at Letitia-Q. Happy holidays! Bye! Hold on. Don't give puppies for Christmas. Merry Christmas.